The greatest spiritual power is not hidden, it is revealed through Sri Lalita Devi.
महातंत्रा महामंत्रा महायंत्रा महासना महायागक्रमाराध्या महाभैरव पूजिता.
This shloka praises Sri Lalita Devi as Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, and Mahasana, the supreme source of all sacred knowledge. Powerful mantras, divine yantras, and the highest spiritual throne. She is the ultimate reality behind every authentic path that leads a devotee towards truth and liberation. The verse also says that Devi is worshipped through the highest forms of sacred yajnas and is adorned even by Mahabhairava, highlighting that all divine powers honor her supreme presence. Chanting and reflecting on the shloka with faith strengthens spiritual wisdom, deepens devotion, removes inner confusion, and inspires discipline on the path of self realization. May Sri Lalita Devi bless your life with divine guidance, inner strength, and everlasting peace. One divine verse revealing the eternal power that exists beyond time, creation, and destruction.
माहेश्वर महाकल्प महातांडव साक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुर सुंदरी.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the eternal witness of Lord Maheshwara's great cosmic dance at the end of every creation. She is the supreme queen of Mahakameshwara, symbolizing the perfect union of divine consciousness and divine energy. As Mahatripura Sundari, Devi is the incomparable beauty who transcends the three worlds and resides in the hearts of sincere devotees. This sacred verse reminds us that while everything in the universe changes, Sri Lalita Devi remains eternal, guiding and protecting all creation with infinite grace and wisdom. By chanting this shloka with faith and devotion, devotees seek inner peace, spiritual strength, divine protection, and the wisdom to rise above worldly challenges. May Sri Lalita Devi bless your life with harmony, courage, prosperity, and everlasting divine. Did you know that every art, every sacred ritual, and every divine power ultimately leads to Sri Lalita Devi?
चतुष्षष्ट्युपचाराढ्या चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटि योगिनी गणसेविता.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as the one who is worshipped with the 64 traditional forms of devotion, showing that every act of sincere worship reaches her. She is also the embodiment of the 64 divine arts and skills, representing complete wisdom, creativity, and perfection. The verse further describes her as being lovingly served by millions of yoginis, highlighting her supreme spiritual authority and limitless divine energy that governs the entire universe. Chanting and reflecting on this shloka helps inspire creativity, wisdom, spiritual growth, and devotion. It reminds us that all knowledge, talents, and sacred practices originate from Sri Lalita Devi. By seeking her blessings with faith and humility, we invite inner strength, clarity, success, and divine grace into our lives. Every radiant smile of Sri Lalita Devi carries the light of divine wisdom.
मनुविद्या चंद्रविद्या चंद्रमंडल मध्यगा चारुरूपा चारुहासा चारुचंद्रकलाधरा.
This sacred verse praises Sri Lalita Devi as the embodiment of Manu Vidya and Chandra Vidya, two profound streams of spiritual knowledge that guides devotees towards wisdom and inner awakening. It describes Devi as residing in the center of the radiant moon, symbolizing perfect peace, purity, and a calm mind. Her enchanting form, gentle smile, and the delicate crescent moon adorning her crown reminds us that true beauty shines through compassion, serenity, and divine grace. Chanting this shloka with devotion is believed to fill the heart with peace, sharpen wisdom, remove mental restlessness, and attract the cooling blessings of Sri Lalita Devi. May her radiant smile illuminate your life with knowledge, harmony, and lasting happiness. The one who rules the entire universe also resides within your heart.
चराचर जगन्नाथा चक्रराजनिकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मरागसमप्रभा।
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi is praised as Charachara Jagannatha, the supreme ruler of everything that moves and does not move in creation. She is Chakrarajaniketana, eternally residing in the sacred Sri Chakra, the highest symbol of divine energy and wisdom. As Parvati, Devi represents compassion, strength, and unwavering grace. Her lotus like eyes, described as Padmanayana, reflect infinite love and purity, while her radiant brilliance shines like the precious Padmaraga gemstone, filling the universe with divine light. Reciting or listening to this shloka with devotion helps cultivate inner peace, spiritual clarity, and unwavering faith. May Sri Lalita Devi bless your life with wisdom, prosperity, protection, and the strength to walk the path of righteousness.